Hey everybody, it's Vicky with Dementia with Grace. I'm glad you found our channel. Let me tell you just a little bit about myself and about the channel, and I hope that you'll decide to subscribe. My name is Vicky Noland Fitch. I am a social worker and a certified dementia practitioner with over 2 decades experience in the dementia population. I have been a facility social worker and now dementia unit coordinator. And my strategies, my behavior strategies, are now used all over the nation, in different homes, private homes, and in facilities. I'm the author of the book Dementia with Grace: A New Positive Way of Dealing with Behaviors in People with Dementia. You can find that on Amazon. The link will be below. And inside this channel, you will find help for you, the caregiver, for strategies on not only how to deal with behaviors in people with dementia, but how to deal with your feelings and your reactions to what's going on, to what the journey entails. So there's help for you. There's help for the person that you take care of. There's strategies and different tips and hacks and words of wisdom. There's all kinds of things here on this channel. So please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so that you will be notified each and every time that I make a video. Hop on over to Facebook, get involved in that group over there. The group name is Dementia with Grace, caregiver support group, and we talk a lot over there too. So make sure that you take advantage of all of these resources, okay? All right, it's so nice to meet you. Thank you for checking out my channel, and I hope that you join all of us on the journey so that we can support you on your journey. Thank you so much. I will hopefully see you again soon. Take care. Bye. Mwah.